right, so are you ready to look into some altcoins?
Oh, yeah. Always ready for altcoins.
These are some that might be big in 2025.
Okay.
Pepe Unchained, Crypto All-Stars, and Flockers.
Those sound interesting.
And you know what? They're not just your average meme coins.
Really?
Yeah, they're actually going beyond just hype.
Okay, so they have some utility, too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
They're trying to solve some real problems.
That makes sense. I
Yeah.
mean, meme coins need to evolve.
Exactly. Let's start with Pepe Unchained, or PPU.
Okay.
So their pre-sale brought in a whopping $40 million.
Wow, 40 million.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. It shows there's a lot of interest.
Yeah, for sure. People are definitely paying attention.
And what's really interesting is they're building their own Layer 2 network.
A Layer 2 network. What's that all about?
Well, most meme coins are built on Ethereum, right?
Right.
And Ethereum is great, but it can get really slow.
Ah, I see, because it's so popular.
Yeah, exactly. There's so much traffic that transactions get bogged down and the fees get really high.
So it's kind of like rush hour for the blockchain.
Exactly. And imagine trying to buy or sell a meme coin during a sudden price spike.
Oh, yeah.
If the network is congested, you could totally miss out.
Yeah, that'd be terrible.
So that's what PPU wants to solve.
Yeah.
You're creating a Layer 2 just for meme coins.
A special express lane.
Exactly.
Okay, so that makes sense. But I thought there were already other Layer 2 solutions out there, like Polygon.
There are, but PPU is different. They're focusing specifically on the meme coin market.
So they're catering to the unique needs of that world.
Precisely. And it's a smart move. The meme coin world is all about speed.
Yeah, things move fast.
Exactly. Speed and low fees are crucial, and that's where PPU comes in.
So they're setting themselves up to be the go-to platform for meme coin traders.
That's the goal.
And you know what else I've noticed? They're all over social media.
Oh, yeah. They're really active.
They're building a strong community.
Yeah, their presence on S is huge. I think they have over 50,000 followers already.
Wow, that's impressive. They're definitely putting in the effort to build hype.
Oh, yeah. And that's so important for a meme coin.
Community can make or break it.
For sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so are we ready to move on to the next one?
Yeah, let's talk about Crypto All-Stars and their STARS token.
Okay, so this one is all about passive income.
Now, passive income sounds pretty good to me.
Yeah, who doesn't love the idea of earning rewards just for holding something?
Right.
So Crypto All-Stars are building this platform called Meme Vault.
Meme Vault. Okay.
And you can stake your meme coins there and earn STARS tokens as passive income.
Interesting. So even if the price of a meme coin is volatile,
Yeah, even if it's going up and down like crazy,
you can still generate income just by holding it in Meme Vault.
that's the idea.
Like a safety net.
Yeah, it can help mitigate some of that risk.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And here's something else I found interesting. You could already start earning rewards with STARS,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
even though Meme Vault isn't even fully launched yet.
Yeah, they're doing a phased rollout.
Why would they do that?
Well, it builds excitement and rewards early investors.
Oh, I see. So you get a taste of what's to come.
Exactly. And there's another thing about Crypto All-Stars that's pretty unique.
Let me guess. It's about them being multi-chain compatible.
You got it. They're not just
Okay.
limited to Ethereum.
Yeah, I read that.
And that's a big deal because newer blockchains are gaining traction.
So like Solana or Base.
Exactly. They often offer lower fees and even faster transactions.
And that's crucial for meme coins, right?
Absolutely. So by being multi-chain, Crypto All-Stars are future-proofing themselves.
They're not putting all their eggs in one basket.
Right. They can adapt as the crypto world changes.
So smart. Okay, I think we covered a lot of ground with these first two altcoins.
Yeah, definitely.
But we have one more to go. Flockers.
Right, Flockers. That one's got some really interesting features too.
Okay, so before we jump into that one, let's take a quick break and come back for the final altcoin.
Sounds good. All right, so we're back and ready to talk about Flockers.
Yeah, this one's really got me intrigued.
Yeah, it's definitely different.
Okay, so the first thing that caught my eye was their vote-to-earn model.
Ah, yes.
It sounds kind of fun, actually.
It is a novel concept, but there's more to it than just that.
Really?
Yeah, it's actually tied into their whole vision of decentralization.
Ah, decentralization.
Hmm.
That's a big topic in crypto.
Yeah, especially after those incidents where centralized control caused problems.
Oh, yeah, like the Pepe theft back in 23?
Exactly. Millions of dollars stolen because too much power was concentrated in a few hands.
Yeah, that was a real wake-up call for a lot of people.
It highlighted the dangers of not having enough decentralization.
Okay, so how is Flockers addressing this issue?
They're building a DAO.
A DAO.
Yeah, a decentralized autonomous organization. It's called Flocktopia.
So basically the community gets to make the decisions.
Precisely. The token holders vote on everything.
I love that idea. It's like a democracy for meme coins.
Exactly. And to make sure people actually participate.
Yeah, how do they do that?
That's where the vote to earn model comes in.
Ah, I see.
You get rewarded with FLOCK tokens for voting.
So the more you vote, the more you earn.
Exactly. It's a brilliant way to keep the project truly decentralized.
Like gamifying governance.
Yeah, it makes it more fun and engaging.
And they've already raised $2.5 million in their pre-sale.
That's right. There's definitely some momentum building.
Okay, so we've got 3 very different altcoins here.
Yeah, each with its own unique approach.
They're pushing the boundaries of what meme coins can be.
It's fascinating to watch this space evolve.
I agree. Meme coins aren't just about hype anymore.
They're becoming more sophisticated, more utility-driven.
More community-focused.
And that's great for the whole crypto world.
Absolutely. Now looking ahead to 2025.
Yeah. What else might influence the success of these altcoins?
Well, there's always the bigger picture to consider.
Things like regulation.
Exactly. Regulation could have a huge impact.
And it's such a complex issue.
Governments are still trying to figure out how to approach crypto.
Too much regulation could stifle innovation.
But too little could leave investors vulnerable.
It's a tough balance to strike. For sure. But beyond regulation, there are other trends to watch.
Like what?
Well, one that I'm particularly interested in is DeFi.
DeFi, decentralized finance.
That's right.
I've heard about it, but it still seems a bit abstract to me.
It's about creating financial tools on the blockchain.
Cutting out the middleman.
Exactly, like banks.
Okay, so how could these altcoins tap into DeFi?
Well, imagine using PPU's Layer 2 to trade meme coins on a decentralized exchange.
With instant trades and low fees.
Exactly. Or staking your STARS tokens in a DeFi protocol for even higher yields.
Okay, now I'm starting to see the possibilities.
DeFi could be a game changer for these altcoins.
A whole new world of opportunities.
And FLOCK, with its focus on decentralization, aligns perfectly with DeFi.
So they all have the potential to ride this wave.
If they play their cards right. So much to think about. So we've talked about all this tech and trends, but what will really determine the success of these altcoins?
What do you think?
It comes down to people,
The human factor.
Exactly. Like how many people will actually use them.
User adoption.
Right. And how active and engaged the communities are.
Yeah, community is so important.
It really is. And then there are the broader cultural trends.
Those are harder to predict.
They are, but they can have a huge impact.
So we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From the tech to the community to the big picture trends.
It's an exciting time for altcoins.
Definitely. So for our listeners who are intrigued but maybe a little overwhelmed,
Yeah, it can be a lot to take in.
what's your biggest piece of advice?
Do your own research. Don't just buy into hype.
Yeah, don't fall for those memes or celebrity endorsements.
Exactly. Dive deep, understand the technology and the team.
Read those white papers.
Absolutely. And talk to people in the community.
Engage on social media.
It's all about being informed.
Solid advice.
Yeah.
And remember diversification.
Oh, yeah. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Spread those investments around.
Exactly. Manage that risk.
Okay, so as we wrap up this deep dive into altcoins,
Yeah.
what's the one big question you want our listeners to ponder?
Well, we've talked about technology regulation, DeFi.
All the important stuff.
But in the end, it's the people that matter.
Yeah, how will they shape the future of these altcoins?
How will user adoption, community engagement, and even cultural trends play out?
That's the big question.
It is, and it's one that we'll all be watching closely.
Well said. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of altcoins.
My pleasure.
Until next time.